It begins quietly, almost unnoticed. Where there was once stillness, something starts to breathe again. Not loudly, not all at once, but gently, patiently. A soft return of life where silence had settled for far too long. At first, it's just a feeling, a shift in the air, a subtle warmth where everything once felt distant. Then slowly, something begins to grow. Not forced, not rushed, just allowed. There's a rhythm to it, a natural unfolding, layers forming over time, each one building on the last, creating something deeper, something richer. What once felt empty now feels alive, with texture, with movement, with purpose. And in this quiet transformation, something changes within us too. We begin to notice more, the way light moves, the way time slows when we're present, the way small things, once overlooked, suddenly feel meaningful. There's a sense of connection that wasn't there before. Or maybe it was always there, just waiting to be felt again. This isn't about perfection. It never was. It's about balance, about rediscovering harmony between what we've built and what we've forgotten, a merging of worlds that were never meant to be separate. There's beauty in that contrast, strength and softness, structure and flow, control and surrender, each one shaping the other, creating something that feels complete. And as it continues to evolve, it becomes more than just a change you can see. It becomes something you experience, something you feel every time you pause, every time you take a breath and realize, this is different, this is better. Not because it's more, but because it's real. Because it gives back, it restores. It reminds us that growth doesn't have to come at the cost of something else, that it can exist in harmony, in quiet abundance. And maybe that's what we've been searching for all along. Not something louder, not something bigger, but something that feels alive, something that feels like it belongs. And in the end, it's not just about what has changed around us, it's about what has changed within us. A return to something simple, something honest, something we didn't realize we were missing until it was finally here.